KM Broadcast presents 10 facts on Saraswati River. India is a country where the divine rivers flow, shaping civilizations along its valley. The legend of the mighty Saraswati River has lived on in India since time immemorial. The Vedas are full of tantalizing hymns about it being the life stream of the people. It is no longer a myth. The satellite images trace its riverbed that shaped the Indus-Saraswati civilization thousands of years prior than what we know. The Nadi Stuti hymn in the Rigveda 10.75 mentions Saraswati between the Yamuna in the east and the Satluj in the west. However, later Vedic texts like the Tandya and the Jaminia Brahmanas, as well as the Mahabharata, mention that the Saraswati dried up in a desert. The early Rigvedic Saraswati River include the Helmand River in Afghanistan, separated from the waters of the Indus by the Sanglak Range. The Helmand historically bore the name Haraksvaiti, which is the Avestan form cognate to Sanskrit Saraswati. The Saraswati River is mentioned in all but the fourth book of the Rigveda. The most important hymns related to Saraswati are 6.61, 7.95 and 7.96. In 2.41.16 she is called Ambitame, Naditame, Devitame Saraswati, best mother, best river, best goddess. The Saraswati River flowed 4000 years ago between 6000 and 4000 BC. The banks of the great river provided green and fertile land for farming. The river helped in sustaining the Indus Valley civilization as it was largely located in the proximity of its banks. According to the satellite images of ISRO and ONGC, the Ghaggar-Hakra River is identified as a Vedic Saraswati River. The river flows in northwestern India and Pakistan. As per the Vedic text and available satellite images, the Saraswati River is described to be much bigger than Indus. The river was probably 1600 kilometers long and 3 to 8 kilometers wide, originating from the Banda Panchmasif Saraswati Rupin Glacier. It is believed that Parashuram, the sixth incarnation of Lord Vishnu, purified himself in the river Saraswati after ending the race of Kshatriyas. River Saraswati is said to form the Triveni confluences with rivers Ganga and Yamuna at Triveni Sangam near Allahabad, and with rivers Hiranya and Kapila at Somnath. Many religious organizations follow the belief that an invisible Saraswati River will reveal the concept of the golden age of Hindu India. In the year 2015, it is reported that the government of India ordered an archaeological search for the ancient river. As reported recently, Government of Haryana constituted Saraswati Heritage Development Board SHDB had conducted a trial run on July 30th, 2016, filling the riverbed with 100 cusecs of water, which was pumped into a dug-up channel from tube wells at Ancha Chandana village in Yamuna Nagar. The water is expected to fill the channel up till Kurukshetra, a distance of 40 kilometers. If you like this documentary, please subscribe to KM Broadcast. Thank you.